Nice.
How you doing, baby?
Oh, I'm pretty good. How are you?
Oh, I'm great. Should we get started?
Sure.
Okay.
Everything.
BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Dug. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. Over here is the lovely and talented Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And we were just talking about Batman and Robin again.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday I did a little rant on Batman. Papak Wanajin Inani Batman. And then it got me thinking about Robin. So today is Ojibwe word of the day. Opichi, Robin. Opichi. You know, the robin is a very sacred bird to the Anishinaabe people.
Yeah, huh?
They call it the first bird of spring. But Robin, the superhero, sort of, I think is just the victim of abuse.
Jeez.
So there's a number of different Robin origin stories, but they all kind of break down to Robin was a circus acrobat, and his parents were killed, just like Batman. So Batman becomes his ward, which is a term you only hear in that story. It means essentially his foster dad.
Yeah.
And he brings him to the mansion, and he tells him all the secrets of Batman. And, you know, not only does he not do like good foster parenting, he turns him into a superhero. And so I often wonder, what was that conversation like that first night when Robin came to the mansion?
Mm-hmm.
And Bruce Wayne is there, and he comes and goes, "Well, welcome to Wayne Manor. This is going to be your room, and this is the kitchen, and this is the living room. This is the butler, Alfred. Oh, and check out this. This is cool. You'll like this. Behind this clock, behind this great big old grandfather clock, is an elevator that goes down. And by the way, I'm Batman. So welcome to your new home. I'm gonna be your dad, and tell you what, if you like, you can join me in fighting crime. But I'm gonna give you a nickname, and so little Dick Grayson. He goes, "Oh, really? What's my cover name gonna be? Is it something cool, like Batman? Should I be Bat Boy?" And he's like, No. I'm going to call you Robin. Opichi in Ojibwe, but Robin, the first bird of spring. So like, how I'll be all dressed in black, and I'm going to be all like hiding in the shadows and scary. And I'll have this kind of cool image. I'm going to dress you up like a complete jerk until you look so stupid. You're going to want to beat yourself up. I'm gonna put you in little, you see how I got like really cool motorcycle boots and a long black cape. I'm gonna put you in elf shoes, and and a yellow cape, and you're not even gonna wear pants. You can wear little green panties, and I'll put you in a short sleeve button-up shirt with the letter R, not even in the center of your chest. Like you see how I got this, I'm sort of symmetrical. We're going to put your R, just kind of like kind of where they'd put a little pin.
Like Laverne and Shirley.
And then, and so Robin's like, "Well, what about my mask? Are you going to give me something that makes me look like a bird?" And he goes, No. we're not even going to cover up your face. We're going to put little eye things here. Basically, we're going to give you like thick eyeliner. And you'll wear your hair combed to the side. And this will be Robin. And I shall be the Dark Knight. Because I'm thinking, if you're there, anytime somebody wants to beat me up, they're going to go after you first.
Nah.
And you can distract them. You'll be Robin, the boy distraction. And there you go. What do you think, sweetie?
Oh, yeah, that's pretty
you think
much
I got
my
Robin
understanding.
down?
Yeah.
Well, with that said, if you like the show, you guys give us a thumbs up. Otherwise, I want to say miigwech to all the people who support the show.
Yeah, huh?
To the wonderful people who click the link to PayPal. We really appreciate your donations. Your whatever. And to the heroes of the show, I also want to say miigwech to the people who support us on Patreon.
Oh,
Without you, we wouldn't even be able to do this.
yeah.
I mean, we would. All right. Well, with that said, I'm going to say miigwech gana wabiyeg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And I will see you again.
Gigawaba min! Minawa!
Hawa.
Hawa!
La 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 la.
And I can see the road to ruin, and I'm looking for some action. Nah.